Hi mate, in this video I am trying to show you how to download and install IPTV Smarters Pro on Amazon Firestick. Before starting the video, if you need any IPTV service you can contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the video description. Let's start the video. First of all, open download app and put that code in the search bar. 164547. Just wait for the 5 seconds. It takes 5 seconds for verification. After that, IPTV Smarters Pro is automatically downloading. Wait for it to download. Before downloading, I want to say you something. If you are looking for an IPTV service, you are on the right place. I will give you the IPTV service at a affordable price. My service is 20,000 worldwide live channel, 90,000 movies and 20,000 series. After download the IPTV Smarters Pro, install and open it. After opening, press on the TV and save it. After that, press on the Extreme Code or log in with the Extreme Code API. Now you need a username, password and URL to watch IPTV on it. So put your username, password and URL. If you do not have a username, password, so contact me on WhatsApp. I will give you the username and password. If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for the watching.